Hey everyone, today I am on a Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. This is powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower Verado on the back. This is an incredible boat for the bays, for the lakes. I would love to see you guys take this boat out on Lake Conroe, Lake Livingston, Lake Houston, any of those lakes. You are gonna absolutely love it because it's got such tall sides on it. Such an incredible riding boat, especially in rough conditions. You'll definitely love it. Besides that though, the entertaining aspects of this boat are incredible. Moving forward, super large bow area right here. Again, I pointed it out on the 23 SDX, but you feel so high out of the water, safe, comfortable up here. Plenty of room for your friends to sit around. Storage under here. Check out this storage. And head compartment. It's a real vacuum flush head right there. Has a real freshwater sink in there. It's not a regular porta potty like you're gonna see on a lot of other brands. Twin Simrad displays. So it shows you your engine hours. It's going to have preloaded depths with all the chartography that's needed for all those lakes that I described and all the bays in all of North America. So if you want to take this boat all over the country, you can, and you can do it with confidence, knowing where you're going the whole time. But back here, we do have flip down seats. This is a great entertaining boat. All your friends, again, can sit around here. And since this is an outboard, not only do you get super easy maintenance, but you have a ton of storage where your engine block typically would go. Freshwater tank right there with the antifreeze in it right now. Back here we have a nice sun pad that does flip down to give you more surface area to lay out on. This boat does have a power tower with a very, very large bimini. Did I say 300 horsepower? 300 horsepower. This thing flies. It's a 25-foot day boat that you can have a ton of fun on. You can pull tubes, wakeboards, water skis, whatever you want. And the tower is powered, so if rain comes in, push a button, which is located right back here. It's going to lower down and protect the whole cockpit area. You guys, my name is Billy Foulkes with MarineMax Houston, and I challenge everyone in Houston that loves boating or wants to get into boating to call me at 936-223-6770, and I'll tell you how MarineMax and Sea Ray can definitely make it happen.